Hey everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my course Loading Data into Excel. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. When I first got properly introduced to Microsoft Excel, I was truly awestruck at the capabilities of this piece of software. From creating a simple expense tracker to taking care of highly complex data analysis, the range of what Excel can do is staggering. In this first course of the Excel series, you'll learn to import and load data from different sources into Excel. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include Introduction to Excel, components of Excel worksheets and workbooks, and loading data from various sources into Excel. By the end of this course, you'll know how to import and load data into Excel from 6 different sources. There isn't a particular prerequisite before beginning the course, though some fundamental knowledge about data analytics would be helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the basics of loading data from different sources into Microsoft Excel with the Loading Data into Excel course at Pluralsight.